guys, I'm participating in a collaboration today hosted by Casey, and her channel is Coffee with My Sunshine. Her co-host this month is Katie with Handy Mom. So it is a trash to treasure recycle that she has asked us to do. And she does this monthly, I believe. I've been jumping in and participating in the last few that she's had. So please be sure to check out their channels. They're linked below. Also check out the playlist and see what everyone else came up with this month. Let's get right to it. Okay, so I'm having to back up to show you what I'm working with today. I grabbed this tube out of the recycle bin at work, and I actually have two of them. I may get both of them done in this video, I may not. The other one is a little bit shorter, so I'll be using some duct tape and I'll just show you what I do. This is going to be kind of awkward, but I will be wrapping the white duct tape around, and then I'll go back in with some red. I'm using the white duct tape because this had a lot of labels on it and I couldn't get them off, so I thought just wrapping it instead of trying to paint this would be the best way to go. So you guys get the idea. I'm gonna go off camera and do this simply because I cannot stand and hold it in front of the camera and get it like it should be. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it wrapped in the white duct tape, and it is the Dollar Tree duct tape. So maybe if you had a different kind, it might be thicker and not as transparent. I'm not sure. I can still sort of see the labels showing through, but maybe on the other side, if I have it turned that way, it'll work out okay. So now I'm going to use the red and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so far so good. It looks better than I thought it was going to. So we'll just add to the top some embellishing, and I'll get back with you guys in just one moment. Okay, so this is what I envisioned for the top. Now I think it would look better if it was black, maybe? What do you guys think? I'm not sure what to do. Okay, so I've decided to paint these. I'm going to use this as base, and I'm going to paint this. I would have spray painted it, but it is like 20 degrees outside and I just don't think the paint will stick. So the only black I have is the stain, and I'm hoping it will work out. If not, I'll have to run out and get some black acrylic paint. I'd like to take this opportunity to remind you guys of my Thrift It to Gift It collaboration. It is coming up. December 3rd is the upload date. I will link my invite video below, so please check it out, and I hope to see you join. Okay, so this is going to have to dry, and then we'll come back in with another coat. So now that this is dry, I'm going to attach it with just a little hot glue, and then we'll work on the base. Okay, so this is the base. I'm going to use a little hot glue and some super glue to hold this on. Okay guys, here it is. I think it turned out great. So I do want to put a sign on it that says North Pole. I just didn't have the bracket, and I'm down to the last minute to get this video out. So I just put a little decoration on it and put a couple of trees down at the bottom. But I do want to get that sign put on there. I'd like to thank Casey and Katie for hosting the collaboration today. Be sure to check out their channels and the playlist. It's linked in the description box. Thanks to my subscribers for your support, and thanks to everyone who's watching. I hope you enjoyed this Trash to Treasure DIY today, and I will see you in my next video.